Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we see how to create a Fiverr account on a mobile phone and the some part left which we will discuss in this video. So without wasting our time, we will go to the Chrome browser and here the some steps we left for today. Here you will put the name, first name. In the first name you will write your first name. My name is Mohsin and I will write Mohsin. And the last name is Chaudhary. I will type Mohsin Chaudhary. Now I will select my profile picture from my gallery. So it is very difficult to find out my picture. Now I will find out. I can do it. This one, you will be select a professional profile picture which will be affected on the buyer. Your selling will grow fast. In this picture I am showing chikna, so I select this picture. In the description you will write minimum 150 characters. So I will write hello, I'm graphic designer. I have 7 years of experience in graphic designing. I will design professional and effective logos and posters and the other designs for your company in very affordable pricing. So here is the description. Description should be effective. So we will press the continue button. Language English. Here the step 1 is completed. Now we will move to step 2, personal information, your occupation. Here we will occupy our mission, graphic design. Here I will step logo design, vector tracing, now game design and registration भी नहीं. So if you are a digital marketer, you will select digital marketing. If you are writing translation, you will select this one. If you are programmer or teacher, you will select this one. If you are musician, you will select this one. If you are video editor or animator, you will select this video and animation. If you have any other skill, you can select the other and explain it on the Fiverr. How much skills and experience you have. Here I will add skill graphic designing, graphic designing experience level. I'm expert. If you are beginner, you will select beginner. If you are intermediate, you will select intermediate. I'm selecting beginner. If you have other skills, you can add more skills easily from this button, add new. Now they are asking about us, about our education, country of college or university, from where you get education. I'm from Pakistan, Australia. I will select Australia. Now college university name, Oxford University. Now here they will asking, it's not necessary part of the account creation, so we'll not, and we will going to continue button and traveling to step 3. Here are the 4 steps to create account. We'll move to third step. Here show experience to 5 years. Giving us any warning. Yes, I have experience. Here is asking this experience. I have experience, a lot of experience in this. So move to the step 3. Here will be the loading. So it's taking time. 3 steps are done. Google account is connected. So we will now connect more accounts, and I will continue. And now the time to add my phone number or email. Over here he is redirect us to the dash. Now we will discuss in the next video. Thanks for watching.